What's good, everybody? You already know we out here in beautiful, hot Atlanta, but it's actually cold, right? And I got my boy Stevenson Linder. You guys know him as the top educator on the internet, guys. This guy has literally flown all around the world, event to event to event to event, webinar to webinar, getting people paid. Like, he's a professional, get you paid person, I guess you could say, right? And so, guys, we actually put together a webinar, right? And I've been telling you guys about apps that we're launching, dummy-proof Forex apps for people who care about Forex, people who don't care about Forex. No matter if you traded before or have it, you guys can copy a guy that's been trading for years, guys. Going from Wall Street to the Forex markets to become one of the top educators on the internet. Forget that, the top educator on the internet, because I have not seen nobody live the lifestyle he does and be able to show people how to make that same type of income from their phone. Steve, let them know some of the power, some of the people that you've been able to impact, some of the groups you've been able to grow, some of the results you've been able to get. Let them know that they're partnering up with the right people.
Guys, we want to let you know the 2 apps that we're about to launch is going to take over the net. All of 2019, that's all you're going to hear about. All right? So if you're watching this webinar, you definitely want to get plugged in right after this. No more doing all of the hard lifting, no more hard work, no more none of that. All right, guys? We got the tools that's literally going to do all the work for you. All you got to do is plug in. That's it. Just plug in and follow a 3-step process and you're making money. I got 70-year-old people making money off this thing daily. I can't wait for you guys to see the testimonials of so many people that are winning. I'm talking about over 16,000 plus people currently right now as we speak already winning.
My name is Guinevere Ramos and I absolutely love the IML Bounce Back product. The IML Bounce Back strategy sends me alert and I can take the trade, make my money, and I'm very happy.
My name is Ariana Pierce and I have been trading the Forex market for about 6 months now. I absolutely love the Gold Cup app. I remember having my first $600 day by using their app. It was amazing. I was so excited. For any trader, that's super exciting. You hear about those things, but when you experience it, it's a totally different feeling.
This your boy Jamie right here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Just want to throw you a shout out about the Bounce Back program. Man, I tell you, it has changed my trading life tremendously.
Guys, don't play with this at all right? Make sure you plug in right after this webinar. Invite your mom, your dad, your sister, your next door neighbor, hell, the CEO of your company. Get them plugged in because 2019 is going to be game over.
I'm about to see it firsthand, the impact this thing is having. Impacting lives all over the world. People travel from all over the world to come hear the information y'all about to see. So we're going to kind of be low-key.
We'll try to be low-key. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, we got rubies. So.
Make that decision. Like, are you even looking for a new opportunity in 2019? Like, everybody says new year, new me, and then you do the same stuff and wonder why you get the same results. Well, here's your opportunity to surround yourself around a new group, right? Put yourself in a new position, a new tax bracket, learn a new skill set, and have yourself build you a new life. Create yourself a new life because you deserve it, guys. So what I'm gonna need you to do before you even click on this webinar, because we're passionate and we literally put our all into the information we're gonna give you on the webinar and the information that you get beyond the webinar, because it doesn't stop there, guys. But what I need you to do is tuck your kids away, kiss your husband, kiss your wife, tell them you're gonna be in the room in a minute, right? And plug yourself into a quiet area. Turn your phone off, turn your TV off, because the information we're gonna give you tonight can literally change your life, guys. So like I said, hope to see you guys at the top, not from the top. Let's get it, let's go. We out.